वेलकम टू आवर चैनल स्टडी विथ एमपी। स्वागत है आप सभी का आपके अपने यूट्यूब चैनल। आज हम देखेंगे क्लास 8 सेकंड सेम सोशल साइंस चैप्टर नंबर 10 फॉलोइंग दी महात्मा पार्ट 2, जिसका वर्कबुक सॉल्यूशन देखेंगे। ओके, फर्स्ट नंबर का क्वेश्चन है एमसीक्यू। फर्स्ट, थ्रू विच मूवमेंट वेयर द अनजस्ट लॉ ऑफ द गवर्नमेंट ब्रोकन इन अ डिसिप्लिन मैनर? तो आंसर आएगा डी, सिविल डिसोबीडियंस मूवमेंट। सेकंड नंबर, विथ व्हाट वाज द सिविल डिसोबीडियंस मूवमेंट स्टार्टेड? बी, दांडी मार्च। थर्ड, हु स्टार्टेड द दांडी मार्च? सी, महात्मा गांधी। फोर्थ, फ्रॉम वेयर डिड गांधी जी स्टार्ट द दांडी मार्च? ए, फ्रॉम साबरमती आश्रम। फिफ्थ, हाउ मेनी सत्याग्रह joined the दांडी मार्च? बी, 78। 6. When did the Dandi March start? C. On 12th March 1930. 7th. Where was the second round table conference convened by the British? C. In London. 8. Which round table conference did Gandhiji attend? B. Second. 9. In 1939 the Congress committee resigned because तो आंसर आएगा डी, द ब्रिटिश गवर्नमेंट डिक्लेयर इंडिया अ पार्ट ऑफ वर्ल्ड वॉर टू विदाउट कंसल्टिंग द फेडरल लेजिस्लेटिव। 10 नंबर, ड्यूरिंग विच कॉन्फ्रेंस डिड द मुस्लिम लीग पास द रिसोल्यूशन ऑफ डिमांडिंग पाकिस्तान एज अ सेपरेट नेशन? तो बी, ड्यूरिंग द लाहौर कॉन्फ्रेंस हेल्ड इन मार्च 1940। 11 number, Gandhiji decided to start individual satyagraha because D, he was not willing to embarrass the British government during the war. 12 number, in which movement was the slogan of do or die given by Gandhiji? D, Quiet India. 13 number, when was the historical resolution of Quiet India passed? C, on the night of 8th August 1942. 14. Which British Prime Minister declared that India will be given complete freedom? B, Clement Attlee. 15. Which of the following was not one of the proposal put forth by the cabinet mission plan? So B, A, to establish a single rule in the whole country. 16 number, who was the Prime Minister of the interim government? So D, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. 17. When did the Muslim League observe the Direct Action Day? To C, on the 16th August 1946. Question number 2. Fill in the blanks with proper words or numbers in the following statement. First, in 1930, Gandhiji declared that he would undertake a march to break the unjust salt law. Second, Gandhiji started the Dandi March from Sabarmati Ashram in Ahmedabad. Third, Gandhiji started the Dandi March on 12th March 1930. Fourth, Gandhiji reached Dandi on 5th April 1930. Fifth, Gandhiji broke the salt law on 6 April 1930. Sixth, the first round table conference was unsuccessful as Indian National Congress decided to London it. 7 number, Gandhiji attended the second round table conference. 8. With the help of the Government of India Act 1935, the second phase of constitutional changes started in India. 9. According to Dr. Rajendra Prasad, provisional governor retained important reserve powers. 10. The Second World War started in 1939. 11. The historical resolution of Quiet India was passed on 8th August 1942 during the Mumbai session of the Indian National Congress. 12 number, Attlee became the Prime Minister of England after Second World War. 13. British Prime Minister Attlee made an announcement of giving India Purna Swaraj. 14. The British Cabinet Mission which came to India in 1946 was a 3-member commission. 15. After Direct Action Day was declared, Cabinet Mission Plan tension prevailed in the country. 16. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru was the Prime Minister of the interim government. 17. British Prime Minister Attlee announced the British government would leave India by June 1948. Question number 3. True or false? First, Gandhiji started the Dandi March on 31st March 1930. Wrong. Second, due to the absence of the Congress, the first round table conference was unsuccessful. Right. Third, after March 1940, the creation of Pakistan became the main goal of the Muslim League. Right. 4. During the Second World War, Gandhiji started mass satyagraha. Wrong. Fifth, Gandhiji selected Kasturba Gandhi as the first individual satyagraha. Wrong. Six, there was a proposal to divide all the provision of India into three parts in the cabinet mission plan. Right. Seven, due to the attitude of the Muslim League, communal harmony was maintained in the country during the time of the interim government. Wrong. Question number 4. Match the pairs correctly. Write the correct number of section B in the answer section. First, Dandi March. तो आंसर आएगा फोर्थ, महात्मा गांधी. सेकंड, फर्स्ट इंडिविजुअल सत्याग्रह, तो वन, विनोबा भावे. थर्ड, इंग्लैंड्स न्यू प्राइम मिनिस्टर, तो फिफ्थ, एटली. फोर्थ, प्राइम मिनिस्टर ऑफ द इंटरिम गवर्नमेंट, तो थर्ड, जवाहरलाल नेहरू. Question 5. Answer the following question in one or two sentences each. First, which authority was given to Gandhiji by the Executive Committee of Indian National Congress that met in Ahmedabad? So the Indian National Congress that met in Ahmedabad authorized Gandhiji with all the rights to launch the civil disobedience movement in order to attain Swaraj, freedom. Second number, who started the Dandi March? From where and when was it started? So on 12th March 1930, Gandhiji along with 78 companions had started the Dandi March from Sabarmati Ashram in Ahmedabad. Third, why did Gandhiji march to Dandi, or give reason Gandhiji marched to Dandi? So the British government had made salt a taxable commodity. Mahatma Gandhi and other nationalists felt that it was unjust to put a tax on salt. So Gandhiji marched to Dandi. Fourth number, why did the British government arrange round table conference, or give reason the British government arranged round table conference? So the British government arranged a round table conference in London to discuss constitutional changes required for India. Fifth number, why was the first roundtable conference unsuccessful? So the first roundtable conference organized in London was boycotted by Indian National Congress, as there was no representative from the Indian National Congress at the first roundtable conference. So the first roundtable conference was unsuccessful. Sixth number, what did Gandhiji suggest after the election that were held according to the Government of India Act of 1935? So as per the act, election were held. Gandhiji suggested that the Indian National Congress would from the federal legislature only. If it is guaranteed that the governor would no exercise that exclusive powers granted to them and act as per the advice of the elected provisional minister. 7 number, why did various Congress committee resign in 1939? Give reason. Various Congress committee resign in 1939. When the Second World War broke out in 1939, the British government declared that India would be a part of it without first consulting the federal legislature. The heads of various committees resigned in protest. Question number 8. Who were the first to propagate the theory of Pakistan? Muhammad Iqbal and Chaudhry Rahmat Ali were the Muslim leader who propagated that Hindus and Muslims should form two separate nations, India and Pakistan. 9 number, when and where was the resolution to demand Pakistan passed? So the resolution to demand Pakistan was passed in the Muslim League session held at Lahore in March 1940. 10 number, when did the Muslim League make the creation of Pakistan its main objective? So the resolution to demand Pakistan was passed in the Muslim League session held at Lahore in March 1940. Thereafter, the formation of Pakistan became the main objective of the Muslim League. Question number 11. Why did Gandhiji start individual satyagraha? Give reason Gandhiji started individual satyagraha. So during World War II, Gandhiji started individual satyagraha instead of mass satyagraha, as he was not willing to put the British government into an embarrassing situation during wartime. 12 number. What warning did Gandhiji give to the British in 1942? So in 1942, Gandhiji warned the British that they should leave India immediately. 13 number. What order did Gandhiji give to the people of India in 1942? Gandhiji asked the people of India to follow the principle of do or die and to continue the struggle against the British in a non-violent manner. 14. When and where was the historical resolution of Quiet India passed? So the historical resolution of Quiet India was passed on 8th August 1942 during the Mumbai session of the Indian National Congress. 15. When and why did British Prime Minister Attlee send the cabinet mission to India? So the Prime Minister of Britain, Mr. Clement Attlee, sent a cabinet mission in 1946 to India that aimed to discuss and plan for the transfer of power from the British to Indian leadership there by conferring India with complete independence. 16 number. What announcement did British Prime Minister Attlee make on 20th February 1947? On 20th February 1947, the British Prime Minister announced that power would be transferred to India latest by June 1948. 17. What was the effect of British Prime Minister Attlee's announcement of transferring complete power to Indian? Though the enthusiasm of Indian leaders and common people knew no bounds, Gandhiji welcomed this decision of the British by saying that it was their best decision. Question number 7. Answer the following question in detail. First, which proposal were included in the cabinet mission? So, to establish total self-rule in the country, to divide the whole country into 3 provisions, allow India to design its own constitution, formation of an interim or provisional government till the constitution was formed. Question number 2. When and why did the Muslim League observe a direct action day? What was its result? Do the Congress secure majority in the election that followed, and Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru was the Prime Minister of the interim government that was formed during this time at the center. The weak response to their demands irritated the Muslim League, and they declared 16th August 1946 as a direct action day. As a result, communal tension prevailed in the country, and many parts witnessed communal riots too. ओके, थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग। इसी के साथ हमारा चैप्टर नंबर 10 यहाँ पर ख़त्म हुआ। बाकी सारे जितने भी चैप्टर आगे के 9 चैप्टर अगर आपको देखने हैं तो मेरी चैनल पे मिल जाएंगे, साथ में डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में भी आपको मिल जाएंगे। ओके, थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग माय चैनल। प्लीज़ लाइक एंड शेयर। स्टडी विथ एमपी।